During its perusal of the Auditor General's report for 2016, the Public Accounts Committee on Monday questioned whether all steps have been taken by the Ministry of Legal Affairs to recover monies owed to the government for rental of the First Federation building on Crow Street in Georgetown.
Mr. Chairman, can we go back to 521 to do with the First Federation building? What is the status of this matter in terms of the debt is owed?
The question by the committee members follow a request made by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry, Joyce Burrows, seeking permission to write off a sum of $3.445 million for rent owed to the government for the building. In response, the Ministry of Finance advised that evidence should be provided that all avenues were exhausted to recover the outstanding monies.
So we were advised by our state solicitors that any further effort to recover the sums owed or due to us may be more than what we are trying to recover in legal fees, filing of documents, other resources, additional advertisements, and so on. And we, in our investigation, we would have found that some of the tenants are deceased, some have migrated. We're not getting any responses from them.
It was revealed in 2016 that some $3.445 million in rent was outstanding for the years 2010, 2011, and 2012 by those occupants of the building at the time. Meanwhile, it was also revealed during scrutiny of the ministry that some $254,000 was overpaid to 10 members of staff of the ministry during 2009 and 2012. Burrows, while responding to questions posed on that matter, stated efforts have been made to recover those monies.
And then they will submit a resignation letter on the spot.
After receiving
their salary.
Without giving the required 1 month's notice. And then they just walked off.
A $40.75 million transaction also came into question, which was earmarked for the rehabilitation of a roof to the ministry's building, as well as for the purchase of a plot of land situated next door to the ministry. Some $732,910 was utilized for repairs to the ministry's roof, which was the closest in value to the engineer's estimate, while it was stated that the land the ministry was seeking to acquire was privately owned and could no longer be acquired.
Well, the land was not available for sale, therefore no funds was expended for that. The sum was sent back to the
Which land are we referring to?
We are referring to land just next to the ministry, next door.
That was the land that was for compulsory acquisition?
Yes, Honorable Minister.
The Auditor General stated in his report that the ministry should ensure that all relevant assessment is done before allocating funding to projects. Reporting for the HGP Nightly News, Wendell Badrie.